Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna do an update on my oil catch can install. A few of you have asked on the comments, hey, did you check it after you installed it? So since I've installed it, it's been 2,000 miles. So this will be the first time I'm checking it, and I'll take you guys in for this ride. Let's go check it out. So I got my hood popped. It's actually the first time I'm even opening the hood after this, so everything looks good, just as we installed it. And let me remove the bottom and let's check what's in there. As a reminder, I live in Texas, so we don't really seem below freezing much. I know a few of you guys commented asking about the frequency of checking it if you're in Canada or somewhere. Alright. So one thing I did notice, the bottom was a little bit wet, so I need to tighten that. And here's the inside. Actually not bad for 2,000 miles. That is almost just water. As far as oil, I guess I might have leaked out of the bottom. Let's see if I have any. Yep, it sure leaked from the bottom. Alright guys, so don't make a mess like me. I actually tightened the bottom because all the oil leaked from the bottom onto pretty much the intake. Okay, so yeah, this is just straight water. Alright, so let's this time around, let me tighten this and put it back. Sorry to disappoint, guys. As you can see, there's oil mess all over. It's actually not that bad. I'm gonna try to clean that up and tighten this. And one thing I do have to mention, this thing straight up smells like gas. It smells like gas pretty much, just like when I pull my dipstick out. Alright guys, so I pulled out this drain plug. More than just tightening it, I think you're gonna need to wrap it with some of this Teflon before you reinstall it. So if you install one of these, go check your car and wrap some Teflon around it before you put it back in, because it's obviously a weak point because the threads are a little large and it's just metal to metal, so you're gonna need some kind of something to seal in between. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it and install it back. Alright, I cleaned it up, put this Teflon on, and I reinstall it. So this time obviously it was a fail. Putting this back on, and I guess I should frequently check now that I found this. I'm just gonna leave it at the same location. Seems like everything's still just the way I put it. Let me put this back on. So I got my flash on, and you can see, let's see if I can look it up. Didn't make that much of a mess actually. You can see where it was going down. You can see I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, there it is. Obviously the shiny part is where the oil's been dirty here, so that was a fail from my part. Hope you guys, if you done installed it, make sure to check just to make sure. See, you can see the oil there. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it just to make sure if it is leaking, because as soon as I put my hand below it, I could feel the oil there. So, well, the catch can itself is doing its job. I just didn't do my job properly. So here it is. I'm gonna try to just clean everything up here. Thankfully it didn't make a big mess. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna leave it at that. Here's my honest update of what I found after the catch can install. So hope you guys stay tuned next time. Hopefully we'll catch something in there later.